Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Masagana Setkwe. I am an independent distributor with Alliance in Motion Global, and I'm a member of the ACI Orion International team in AIM Global. I welcome you to this presentation on the AIM Global Ghana Marketing Plan. I'm talking about the ways of earning, and I'm specifically in this presentation going to speak about the overriding step commission, which from now onwards I'll just simply call step commission. The step commission is paid to distributors based on all their group's products reorder points and starter packages points, and is based on the difference in the rank of the distributor and the rank of his downlines. To understand this commission, you must first understand product reorder points, you must understand starter packages points, and you must also understand the rank system in Alliance in Motion Global. Products reorder points. They are actually the commissioner points. All products in Alliance in Motion Global have commissioner points. For example, the C247 has 21 commissioner points, Complete 18 commissioner points, Restore Life 23 commissioner points. At the end of the month, because the step commission is paid on a monthly basis, at the end of a particular month, we are going to put together the total quantities of products reordered from the company by your entire downlines. Then we are going to multiply them by the commissioner points that go with each of them. So let's say they bought 100 C247, 1000 Complete, 10 Restore Life. It will be 21 times 100, 18 times 1000, and 23 times 10. Then we do for the other products, because these are only 3 examples, but all our products have commissioner points. We do for all our products, then we put the total together to get the total product reorder points. Then starter packages also have step points. There are 2 main starter packages in Ghana. The global package, which has 50 step points, and the associate package, which has 30 step points. So we also determine the total number of either global packages, actually global packages and associate packages that people have joined under your network with in that particular month. Then we put the total together. Let's say 10 global packages, 10 associate packages, 50 times 10, 30 times 10. Then we put it together. It becomes the total starter packages points. We add it to the products reorder points to get the total points from which the step commission will be calculated for that month. Now let's talk about the rank system. Products also have positional points, and the positional points are the points that are used as the basis of promoting distributors through the ranks in Alliance in Motion Global. The C247 has 0.2 positional points. Complete has 0.1667 positional points, and the Restore Life also has the same 0.1667 positional points. Now I have to say that for positional points and our promotion criteria, there is no time frame. I will explain that in a little while. But this is how the positional points work. When you join Alliance in Motion Global, you join as a distributor. As you and the people under your network buy products from the company and sell, the positional points that go with the products, and all our products have positional points. So as you and your downline buy the products from the company, either to use or to sell, the positional points will be added. The positional points will be adding up as you and your downlines are buying. When the positional points reach 10 points, the distributor, you are promoted from a distributor to a silver executive. As you and your downlines continue to buy products from the company and sell or use, your points will keep adding up. If they reach 100 points, you are promoted to a gold executive. If they continue to rise and they reach 1,000 points, you become a global ambassador. So you realize that in AIM Global, the basis of being promoted is 100% dependent upon products you purchase, you and your downlines, you purchase from the company. So you see, in AIM Global, we take selling serious. I have to say that accumulating positional points and being promoted through the ranks can take you as far as global ambassador. From this point onwards, we don't just add up positional points to promote you. After global ambassador, the next rank is Ruby, global ambassador, and the last rank is Diamond, global ambassador. To be promoted to the rank of a Ruby global ambassador, and I have to say quickly before I move on that, for Ruby global ambassador and Diamond global ambassador, they are monthly achievements. The condition to be made Ruby or Diamond, you must meet it on a monthly basis. So what it means is that from distributor to silver executive to gold executive to global ambassador, there is no time frame. What it means is that if you and your downlines, based upon your activities, it will take you 5 years to move from distributor to silver executive. It's your business. Nobody minds. No time frame. Anytime you want to be promoted, work and be promoted. So it means that it can take somebody 3 months to move from a distributor to a global ambassador, and it can take somebody 6 years to move from a distributor to a silver executive. No time frame. And one thing you must know is that in AIM Global, there are no demotions or reversions. In some marketing plans, let's say if you get to global gold executive, you will be given 6 months within which to meet the promotion criteria to be promoted to a global ambassador. If in the 6 months you are not able to meet it as punishment, you are demoted back to a silver executive. But in AIM Global, there are no demotions. So if you move from here to here in 1 week, and you want to take 10 years to move to gold executive, there is no pressure on you. Feel free and run the business as you want it. So that is information you must know about this. Now, the condition you must meet to be made a Ruby Global Ambassador is that, first of all, you must be a global ambassador. Then you must have 5 direct global ambassadors, meaning there must be at least 5 people under your network that you directly brought or recruited or sponsored them into the business directly, that have also become global ambassadors. Then, in case the 5, any of them, they have global ambassadors, we are going to put the global ambassadors aside. Then, distributors, silver executives, up to gold executives that are under each of the 5, if we put the positional points from the product they have bought for that particular month, it must be 50 points. So each of the 5 direct global ambassadors that you have under your network, they must have 50 points coming from their side volume, that is from non-GAs under each of them. If you have 5 people who meet that condition, you will be promoted to a Ruby Global Ambassador for that particular month. To become a Diamond Global Ambassador for a particular month, the conditions are the same, except that instead of 5 for Ruby, you must have 8 for Diamond Global Ambassador. So you must have 8 direct global ambassadors with 50 points from each of the 8 coming from their side volume, that is non-GAs, under their network. And as I said, it's a monthly achievement. So for a particular month, you can be a global ambassador, ordinary global ambassador. Then you meet the condition to be made diamond, you will be quickly made a diamond. If the next month you don't meet the condition for diamond or ruby, you come back to an ordinary global ambassador, because from here up to here, once you get a rank from distributor up to global ambassador, they are permanent ranks. You never lose them, because no reversion, no demotion. But for ruby and diamond, if you don't meet them for a particular month, you will reverse back to an ordinary global ambassador. So this is the ranking system in Alliance in Motion Global. Now, how is the StarStep Commission calculated? First of all, I said that it is based on the difference in rank, meaning that at each particular level, if you are being paid overriding StarStep, you are not paid if anybody under your network is on the same rank as you. So if you are a silver executive, you will never earn StarStep commission from the product points of people under your network who are also silver executive. So this is how it works. When you become a silver executive, you earn 10% of the total points from all distributors under your network alone. Then if you are a gold executive, you will earn 20% from the points from all distributors, then 10% from the points of all silver executives, and then nothing from gold executives. When you become a global ambassador, you will earn 30% from all the points from distributors, 20% from silver executives, 10% from gold executives, and nothing from global ambassadors. Then when you become a ruby global ambassador, the percentage now becomes 35, and it reduces in the order. You become diamond global ambassador, it becomes 40% from distributors, and it reduces in that order. So this is how the overriding StarStep commission is calculated. It is from product reorder points and starter packages points, or from all your entire downlines, and it's based on the difference in your rank and their rank. One thing that you must know here is that under this commission, you earn from your entire downlines. In another commission called the unilevel, you earn from the 1st to the 10th level. But here, you earn from the 1st to infinity levels in the business. So that is very important information for you to know. Now there is a condition you must meet before you qualify to enjoy StarStep commission. And that condition is that you, the distributor, you must make a personal positional points of 0.3334. Your personal purchases from the company should accumulate to 0.3334 positional points. Why? Because you are going to earn this commission mainly from products that your downlines have purchased from the company. And so we have agreed in the company that before we are allowed to enjoy from the purchases of our downlines, then we as upline, we must show the example by also buying from the company. So if we don't buy from the company, then it is not fair for us to enjoy commission from our downlines buying from the company. We believe it's fair, and we have agreed that before we are paid, we must also purchase. So that is the condition you must meet in order to qualify for the overriding StarStep commission. Then I have to also say that under this system, there is no pass-up of downlines over uplines. What it means is that in this rank, because it is a group effort, assuming I start the business, then I join somebody under me, and then this person also joins this person. Because the points is a team point, if this person makes 2 positional points, it is a group point. So all of us that are up this line, I will also get the same 2, because the 2 is for the whole group. Everybody in the group gets 2. These people will not get because they are not above him, and they are not directly connected to him, but he is directly connected to me. So if he gets, everybody in the team including me, and those that are up my line will also get the same 2 points. Assuming this person also gets 2 points, I will also get 2 points, then my points become 4. If this person gets 10, then it will be added to me, I will now get 14. So what it means is that as long as you are under me, your points will add up to mine. So if you get 2,000 points, automatically they will also become my 2,000 points. So there is no way you can come and overtake me, because the points you get, they are not for you personally alone. It is for all of us. So if you get 2,000, I get 2,000, and I may have another person who may also get 1,000 somewhere. So by all this, once you are under me, you can never come to be promoted above me. So there is no passer of downlines over uplines in the AIM Global ranking system, because it is a team effort. So if you are not good at selling, you can get people under your network who will be very good at selling, and they will sell very well, and all of you will get promoted because of that. So AIM Global business is a team effort business. It is a helping business. So let's work together, join us, and let's earn the overriding step commission in AIM Global together. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching. You are welcome to the wonderful world of Alliance in Motion Global. Happy Business Day.